less, less,
less, less, lesson, less,
Not as much.
exercise more and eat less. Getting out of bed in summer is less difficult than in winter.
Not as much.
We must try to spend less money. I drink less coffee than I used to.
Not as much.
I earn less than my brother.
Beside. Beside.
Next to someone or something, or very near them.
Come and sit here beside me. Our school was built right beside a river.
perhaps, perhaps,
Perhaps. Perhaps.
Used to show that something is possible or that you are not certain about something.
He hasn't written to me recently, perhaps he's lost my address. We plan to travel to Europe, to Spain or Italy perhaps.
Century, century,
Century. Century.
A period of 100 years, especially used in giving dates.
The 21st century. The city center has scarcely changed in over a century. Get. Get. Getting, got.
To go somewhere and bring back someone or something.
Wait here while I get the car. I'll go and get Sophie from the station. Could you get me my keys from upstairs?
To begin a legal relationship with someone as their husband or wife.
They got married in April.
Excellent. Excellent.
Excel, excellent.
Extremely good.
The food was excellent. Her car is in excellent condition. The fall in interest rates is excellent news for borrowers. Question. Question. Question, question, questionable.
In an exam, a problem that tests a person's knowledge or ability.
Answer or do as many questions as you can. Receipt. Receipt. Receipt, reception, receptionist, receive, receptive.
A piece of paper that proves that you have received goods or money.
Could I have a receipt? Make sure you get a receipt for everything you buy. Must. Must.
Used to say that it is necessary or important that something happens or is done.
Meat must be cooked thoroughly. I must get some sleep. You mustn't show this letter to anyone else. Granddad. Granddad. Granddad.
Grandfather.
Isn't that your granddad over there?
mug, mug,
Mug. Mug.
A large cup with straight sides used for hot drinks.
A coffee mug. I made myself a large mug of hot chocolate and went to bed. Fair. Fair. Fairness, fair, unfair, fairly, unfairly.
Having pale skin or a light color of hair.
She's got fair hair and blue eyes. He's fair-haired. Crowd. Crowd. Crowd, crowded, overcrowded.
A large group of people who have come together.
A large crowd had gathered outside the pop star's hotel. Shop early to avoid the crowds.
Chef. Chef.
Chef. Chef.
A skilled and trained cook who works in a hotel or restaurant, especially the most important cook.
He is one of the top chefs in Britain. She is the head chef at the Waldorf Astoria.
Cent. Cent.
A unit of money worth 0.01 of the US dollar and of the main monetary unit of many countries, or a coin with this value.
He spent 80 cents on a chocolate bar.